going to do an easy video, both easy meal and easy hair. We're talking Impossible Burgers today, and I'm sure you've heard of them. They have them at restaurants, they have them at White Castle, Burger King, yada yada yada. So they have other brands too, but I really love the Impossible meat, and they carry them at a lot of places, but they're quite expensive. So I've always been waiting for these bad boys to hit the stores, and now they officially have. I will let you guys know an easy burger recipe that you can make at home that's delicious and amazing, and here goes. So I'm using a 2-inch curling iron. I've already preheated it to about 400 degrees. It's a little high, but I'm not gonna be leaving it on really long. I've already put a heat protector spray in my hair, and this is a super easy hair curling recipe. Yeah, I mean, I guess it can be. It's a hair recipe. Don't eat it. Ew. But yeah, so I just curl this hair away from my face, like so. And I kind of drag that out, and then twirl this bottom part around. So what I do with the burgers is I put the Impossible meat into my bowl. You're not gonna need a lot of ingredients for this, so it's real easy. You put that in the bowl, then I use a packet of ranch dressing, like the powder form, and I put that in there. Let this cool while you're holding it up. Then I add in some minced onions. Mix that up. And the back ones I just twirl around all the way. Then I add in some garlic powder. And you mix that up as well. And lastly, I chop up some jalapenos and I add that in. I would say chop them up a little finer than I did. I just kind of make chunks, but I would say it'll hold the meat together better if it's chopped up finely. And now you form them into patties. And they're legit ready to go on the grill. Just like that. So on my right side, I first do it up and down like this, right? And I do that, and I pull that, and I hold it for a few seconds, whatever. And then I flip it so that I can grab that bottom and do the same thing, because it's just too hard for me to do it started that way. I don't know why it doesn't come out as good, so that's my little trick. Put your favorite ingredients on there and enjoy. It's that easy, just as easy as this hair is. I like to tousle it and mess it up a little bit. And boom, done. Super easy hair, super easy burgers, and I can make 3 out of this recipe. What I end up doing is I use parchment paper, and I put them on there and wrap them up. And put them in my fridge, and they're just ready to go for the next couple days. I have burgers, like I could eat one for lunch the next day, or I don't ever freeze them, but I usually eat them up in the next 3 days because they're just so good anyway. And you save a bunch of money because it actually only costs me like $9 for that meat, and I can make 3 burgers out of it. Whereas if you go to a restaurant and order an Impossible Burger, unless it's from like White Castle, which you need like 12 burgers anyway, then I would say it ends up costing you a lot more money. So this is a good way to save some money and also add in your own ingredients. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Quick and easy burgers, Impossible Burgers. I love Impossible meat. I use it for all kinds of other stuff, so I will make some other recipes for you guys with that meat. When I do cook for my family, I end up making myself some non-meat products since I don't eat meat. Bye everyone! Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, share, tell your friends, tell everybody. This is where it's at. Food and beauty, guys.